Hey guys, so today I'm going to be doing another video on the chameleon cell technique. I did one the other day and it turned out okay. I've watched some more videos from Olga at Smart Art Materials and also Jenn Neil. They've done some pretty cool paintings using the chameleon cell technique. So I'm going to give it another try. I'm going to use a 12 by 12 canvas this time. Last time I used an 8 by 8. So I'm going to go a little bigger. And the colors that I'm using today, I've got phthalo turquoise from the Fine Touch. I've got teal, also from the Fine Touch. I've got phthalo blue from Artist Loft. And Payne's Gray from Soho Urban Artist, and then the white that I have is from Artist Loft Acrylic. And I've got my 3-in-1 silicone, and I'm using a comb this time. The last time I used this plastic notched trowel, and I got pretty decent results, but I wanted to try the comb. So I'm going to get my gloves on and I'm going to get started. Okay guys, so got my gloves on and I'm going to go ahead and get started. Okay guys, I'm going to take you in so you can get a closer look. Now I did get the chameleon cells, and there's some areas that I really like. You can tell where it's, you know, nice and uniform and everything looks good. And then I've got some areas where it's not so much. So I do have a little more practice to do, but I love the colors. So that's pretty cool. All right, so I'm gonna let it dry and I'll be back. Stay tuned. Okay guys, so here's the painting all dry. Take you in for a little bit of a closer look. And I love these colors. And I actually think that I did better on this one. So that's good. Improving a little bit with each one. I do still have a few, I'm gonna lift it, of the divots. You can see there, not as many as the first one, and I do still have some spots that aren't as uniform as the rest. So that's something I still need to work on. All right, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and have a great day.